Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Adnan and today I will be discussing Hyundai Motor Company, the challenges it is facing in the electric vehicle market and a strategy to improve profitability and efficiency. So here I'm gonna start my first executive summary. The Hyundai Motors Company operates globally with a strong innovation focus. However, the increasing electric vehicles production and the battery cost are reducing the profitability and company effectively. Therefore, strategy focus on proposing the electric vehicles platform and the standards for reducing the cost operations and improving the efficiency. Despite the growth of electric vehicles sales, profitability of the company declining due to increasing productions and battery cost. By focusing the competitive pressure in the market and reducing of the profitability and strategy, and that's improve the efficiency as well. The major problem faced by Hyundai faces declining profitability in the market with a 24% drop in the net profit and decline in the global sales. The increasing electric vehicle production and operational cost are major drivers of the case. The intense competitions from Tesla, especially, and Toyota and Ford also reducing the market shares, and they are like uh, Tesla is more electric vehicle oriented, and for a company like Hyundai it's not so easy to compete with Tesla and Toyota, but Hyundai is still doing very well. In the competitive position analysis, I must say that Hyundai has a strong global presence with the sales of 4.4 million vehicles and diversified offering. The company mainly positions itself in the middle income consumer globally while they face strong competition from the global leaders, the global big leaders like Tesla, Toyota, Ford, and Honda, um, and which reduces their pricing power. But Hyundai, as per 2023 Automobile Groups for US market ranking, Hyundai is still standing at fourth place. Annual sales of Hyundai as per 2023 reports is 1.60 million units. That's a quite big number, and Hyundai is still keeping itself in very good competitive positions in the market. The market size of Hyundai. The global automotive market is growing at a steady rate, where electric vehicle sales have reached more than 17 millions. The growth is mainly driven by focus on sustainability by the consumer and environmental regulations with increasing fuel cost as well. As people and the world is going towards sustainability and environmental protection, and people are going more towards electric vehicles, and the global electric car sales nearly triple in last 3 years especially, and overall motive industry growth particularly driven by the electrifications and sustainability consideration due to increasing consumer demands and increasing the environmental regulations, as I said, the fuel cost. That's why people are adopting electric vehicles, and its electric vehicle demands is growing rapidly all over in the world. China and Europe, as in the scale, global registration of electric vehicles is shown in this chart, the different numbers and as per the global market shares. Barriers to entry. Hyundai and the automobile industry has a high entry barriers due to capital requirements and advanced electric vehicles technologies in the global market. The strong brand recognitions of Hyundai and the other brands creates a major barriers for new companies to enter in the market. However, Hyundai faces a strong competition from market leaders including Tesla, Toyota, and Ford Motors. And in terms of expanding market of electric vehicles, developing the charging infrastructure regulations and the new companies with a major creates a certain barriers for new companies like Hyundai. Hyundai is not new company anymore. It has like massive success all over the years. But Toyota has higher number and big revenue as it has a big market and GM Motors and Ford. Hyundai stands number fourth in these uh, searches. Hyundai Company financials. Hyundai reported a strong revenue of 175.2 trillion Korean wons with operating profit margin of 8.1%. This is mainly indicates the efficiency of the market. However, the lower returns on equity suggest that the weaker shareholder returns compared to the competitors in the market. In terms of industry benchmarks, Hyundai Motors shows effectiveness in the market. Operational efficiency and lower ROE indicates the less efficiency shareholders compared to the industry leaders such as General Motors, Ford, Tesla, and Toyota. Here's the key insights from my analysis. Electric vehicle market offers growth potentials for the future. That because all the companies moving towards electric vehicles and EV vehicles are the future, as we all know. However, profitability is under pressure due to increasing cost and inefficiencies in the market. The battery expenses and the operational challenges are the key issues for a long-term success of the company, which requires balancing and innovation with a greater cost control. And the EV vehicle market revenue set to hit 3.84 billions in 2022. And the global tariff programs and the uh, electric vehicles, lithium and cobalt supply in the global market that produces electric vehicles that also being affected with American tariff and especially and nowadays in the Middle East war. In this case, market offers a growth opportunity, yet it required a control strategy effective for the future. In case long-term success, the company needs focus on operational efficiency besides the innovation. Here's my solution here is the strategy of Hyundai can be focused on electric vehicle platform standardizations for reducing the production cost and improving the efficiency of the market. The better use of working capital market management can be effective with a greater supply chain control for enhancing the performance. So if they enhance operational efficiency by using shared platform and economic skills also be important for the company. Finally, Hyundai has a strong global presence and growth potentials in the electric vehicle market for the future. However, declining profitability remains a critical challenge for the company for the future effectiveness. The cost reduction strategies through standardizations can be essential for this terms of sustainable growth of Hyundai in the global market. The strategy can help to improve efficiency and profitability while improving the competitive position in the market. Thank you so much for listening, and here's my references from where would I got all the data and research. Thank you so much.